Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Now, first off, I just want to say thank you for everyone that is supporting and definitely all of you who has subscribed thus far. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So, yeah, I recorded this video and I had a nice little intro for y'all. But by the time I got to the end of the video, I went back to review the video and I realized it didn't even record. And I was definitely not doing that thing over because it was very, very time consuming. And by then, it was too late anyway. So I'm going to have to leave y'all all the details to the hair that I use, the site that I got it on, down in the description box. And we're going to figure this thing out. I use the Outre Xpressions Natural Kinky Twist in 18-inch. I use the color 1B and I also use the color 51. Now, this is my first time using this brand of hair. I figured I'd give it a try. I actually ordered it offline since we're in quarantine and there's barely any beauty supply stores open. So I'm removing the hair from the pack, and as y'all can see, it already came pre-separated. Now, what I did like about it coming separated is that it made it a lot easier to gauge how much hair to take for each braid. So before I begin twisting my hair, I like to separate the ends of each piece of hair. I find that it makes for a much smoother twist. Because I'm doing jumbo twists, I'm going to be using 3 pieces of Marley hair. When gathering your hair before you twist, it's very important how you place the Marley hair. So what you want to do is you're going to take 3 pieces of Marley hair. 1 piece you're going to hold directly in the middle. The other 2, you're going to spread off, 1 to the right side and 1 to the left side. So when you hold the 3 pieces of Marley hair up, the 2 end pieces should be the longest pieces on the sides and they should be even at the bottom. I guess I kind of jumped out of sequence. But moving along, now what I'm doing is I'm going to part my hair in half. So I'm making a part from ear to ear. I'm going to secure the section in the back and we're going to begin working with the front section. Now, very, very important, prior to putting a protective style in, my suggestion is always to ensure that your hair is properly moisturized. So once I make a part to begin the first section, I'm going to moisturize that section. What I use to moisturize my hair is my LottaBody styling milk, and I also use my Jamaican black castor oil. Once I part my hair in 2 sections, I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel and apply it to the roots of my hair just to give it a little shine and to help smooth it out a little bit and give it some hold. Then I'm going to take that hair that we prepared a little earlier in the video and I'm going to utilize that for this braid. The first thing is to part your section using your finger. You can just split it into 2 parts. Next, I'm taking the hair and I'm laying it evenly in between the 2 sections that I just made. And I'm going to begin twisting my hair in the clockwise position, starting from one side. Now I'm going to ensure that I'm twisting my hair along with the Marley hair, ensuring that I'm twisting the Marley hair around my hair. As y'all can see, I am using my finger to kind of guide it and hold the hair into place. Once I'm done with that side, I'm going to now use my left hand to hold the hair into place, and I'm going to twist the right section the same direction, which was clockwise. When you are twisting your 2 sections, please make sure that you are holding that Marley hair as close to your scalp as possible. This will ensure that your twist is nice and secure. Once the sections have been twisted, I would say twist it about 4 or 5 times. Once you twisted both sections, then you're going to twist one hair over the other, and you're going to do it in the counterclockwise direction. If you're not twisting in the counterclockwise direction, what is going to happen is the hair will begin to unravel. Now, just a disclaimer, when you're doing this style, as long as you're twisting both sections in one direction and then creating the twist in the opposite direction, it's fine. It does not necessarily have to be going clockwise and then twisting your twist counterclockwise. If you want to do it the opposite, that's fine as well. Okay, so you're just going to continue twisting all the way down to the bottom, ensuring that you're also twisting your wrist at the same time, just to make sure that you still have that nice rope twist as you're going down. You may run into some snags toward the bottom. All you have to do is run your fingers through and continue twisting. Now when you get to the bottom, you're going to begin kind of rolling the hair between your fingers just to continue getting that rope effect. Moving on to the next section, we're going to go through this one more time. Ensure that you have 3 pieces of Marley hair. You're going to hold the first piece in between, directly in the middle, and the other 2 pieces off to the side. Just make sure that the sides of the 2 pieces on the end are even at the bottom. Place a little Eco Styler gel on the roots of that section. Part that section in 2, lay the hair in between the section, and begin twisting one side in the clockwise position. You're going to then twist the other side in that same direction, and then you're going to twist your 2 twists or your 2 sections in the opposite direction. In this case, it would be counterclockwise. Remember to kind of twist your wrist just to ensure you're twisting the hair to get that rope effect as you're going down. And don't forget to ensure that you are rolling the hair between your fingers when you get towards the bottom. I'm going to repeat the same steps with the next section. I'm going to part this section. Y'all keep in mind that we are doing the jumbo Marley twist, so these sections are not going to be small. To be completely transparent with y'all, in the past, I have definitely made the mistake of creating my parts and they're not directly straight, they're on a slant. And what will happen is when you get to the top of your hair, you're going to find that the hair or the part from the back and the front is not completely even. Now I'm going to speed through this next section, but I did do, again, 2 twists in that section. After completing a few twists, this is what it should look like. You want to do your best to ensure that you are making all your parts as even as possible. So with that being said, in this section, I made 3 twists. Now that the front section is complete, we're going to begin working with the back section. As y'all can see, my hair is already parted in the back. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I definitely had difficulty parting my hair while on camera because I did not have my mirror that I usually have. And I wanted to make sure that my part came out straight. If y'all remember that I mentioned earlier, it does not matter which direction you begin twisting these sections of the hair, as long as when you start your actual twist, you are twisting both sections in the opposite direction that you twisted each individual section. And I say that because if you really look closely at this video, now in the back, I'm actually twisting each section counterclockwise and then the twist in the clockwise position. Now that I've given y'all the juice to completing this hairstyle, I'm going to complete the rest of this hair off camera, and I will see y'all when I'm done. All right, y'all. As soon as y'all finish twisting your hair, you're going to boil some hot water and dip the ends of the hair in hot water. We like to do that because it makes the style a whole lot neater. I went ahead and I jazzed it up a little bit, and I added some jewels to my hair. I hope y'all like the style. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, don't forget to leave it in the description box. Let me know any styles that you guys would like me to do, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.